Hello, good day everyone. I am Ariel Lisan Malo. Today, we are discuss about discrete mathematics in the existential quantifiers. And now, we are explore the existential quantifiers. Existential quantifiers definition. The existential quantifiers of p of x is the proposition there exists an element x in the domain such that p of x. Note, specifying the domain is important. Without domain, that statement there exists p of x has no meaning. Different way to say there exists x p of x, there is an x such that p of x. There is at least one x such that p of x for some x p of x. The example, what is the truth value of there exists p of x where p of x is the statement x squared greater than 10 and the universe of this course consists of the positive integers not exceeding 4. The domain is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Solution, p of x to the power of 1 greater than 10 is false. P of x, 2 to the power of 2 is greater than 10, another false. P of x, 3 to the power of 3 is greater than 10, false again. P of x, 4 to the power of 4 is greater than 10, that is true. Why? 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 16 greater than 10 is true. And now, let us proceed to programming. Existential quantifiers in programming. Existential quantifiers in programming are often related to logic and set theory, and they are typically expressed in algorithm or code indicated that there exists at least one element in a set or structure that is satisfy a given condition. They are denoted by the symbol E, being a bali. Informal logic means there exists. And that's all. Thank you for watching.